Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Razer Barracuda X microphone. First, check the mute button on your Razer Barracuda X headset and make sure it is not pressed in, since that means the microphone is muted. Next, remove and reconnect the detachable mic, ensuring it is firmly plugged in and properly aligned with the slot. Finally, test different ports by switching the 3.5mm jack to another audio port or moving the USB dongle to a different USB port, as a faulty connection can also cause the mic to stop working. After checking the hardware, move to your computer settings. Right-click the sound icon on your Windows taskbar and open Sound Settings. Under the Input section, make sure Razer Barracuda X is selected as your microphone device. Then go to Windows Settings, open Privacy, and click on Microphone. Make sure the option that allows apps to access your microphone is turned on. Finally, update or reinstall your drivers. Open Device Manager, expand audio inputs and outputs. Find your headset mic, right-click it, and choose Update Driver. You can also uninstall the device and restart your computer to reinstall it automatically. Thanks for watching.